Hi folks, welcome back to Backyard Aviary. This is a canary release video for two new canaries. The reason we have a couple of new canaries is because unfortunately we lost one of our loud singing male canaries, Skinny. Unfortunately he died. So after some searching we found two lovely new canaries to go in the aviary. So as normal we put the cage in the aviary for the new birds to get acquainted with the aviary itself. Usually there is much interest from the other birds. On this occasion the only bird who seemed at all interested was our male bobwhite quails, who seemed fascinated. Following being released we did keep an eye on them for a few hours, as you do find that sometimes male canaries have the tendency to fight. Thankfully they settled in really well and are lovely new additions to the backyard aviary.